Hey kids, JD here. Today I'm going to teach you possibly the most important skill that any biker can ever know. Scenario. You're at some kind of celebration. Could be a party, could be a club function, whatever. Somebody brings out magical beer, but there's a problem. There's no opener. Today I'm going to teach you this magic trick. Before I do, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's down there. Okay, this is easier than it seems. It just takes a little practice. You take the edge and put it just under the lip of the bottle. Like so. Little downward pressure, little outward pressure. Hit it with the heel of your hand, fast and hard. So it should look like this. Victory. That's it. You may not get this right away. Feel free to practice. That's usually the enjoyable part anyway. I would very much enjoy it if you would go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit me up on social media, the links are below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit thumbs down twice to show me just how much you hate it. And that's it. I'm JD, and I'm out.